Today we are going to learn braid stitching and crochet 10 lock stitches. Chain stitch is also called CH chain stitch. Wrap the thread around your little finger like this. Around the index finger. Hold the thread with your thumb and middle finger. First, let's tie a removable knot. We place the crochet hook below the thread. Crochet hook down. Backward. Go around in a circle. Then the index finger and middle finger. Pinch where these two lines intersect. Then hook the line. Then hook the line. Bring the thread out of this coil. From the tail short line, tighten this coil. Tighten this coil from the tail. This knot is completed. Next, we start to crochet chain stitch, CH chain stitch. Crochet winding. Hook the thread out of this coil. This is a CH chain stitch. Winding. Outline this coil. This is the RNDCH chain stitch. Continue. Winding. Outline this coil. The SANRDCH chain stitch is completed. Winding. Winding. Outline this coil. Next, we crochet in the same way. Winding. Outline this coil. After 10 CH chain stitch are completed, let us observe. The front side of the CH chain stitch is in a V shape. After completing 10 CH chain stitch, let us look at the front of this CH chain stitch. The front side of CH chain stitch. There are little V's like this one after another. A small V is a complete needlewood. Then we can count. How many V letters are there in total means how many stitches there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 CH chain stitch. The half side of the V is half stitch. The half side of the V is half stitch. The half needle crochet we usually use, just pick half of the letter V.